It has been such a miracle for us to witness everything that the Lord has done in the Sacred Heart of Jesus Convent. Right from the beginning, we have only realized that this is all His work, and we're humbled and grateful to see how He has only used us as instruments of this amazing work He's trying to do. In 2018, the poor clerks, trusting in God's providence, gave us the legacy of this property. It was our turn to take a leap of faith, and trusting in God's providence, we also say a wholehearted yes to take on this responsibility of taking care of this great legacy of prayer and service. And we are so excited to see everything that the Lord is going to do through this convent. We know that so many more sisters are going to be able to live out their vocation and give their lives to the Lord in service of Him from this convent. And we're so excited to see also so many more souls that are going to be able to be touched by the love of the Sacred Heart.
With great excitement, we saw how the Lord began to prepare everything to start this project. His providence brought generous souls that gave their time, gifts, and talents in the service of the Lord. We were so blessed to receive guidance, advice, and support of so many who joined us in this mission. They became our close friends, but most especially close friends of the Sacred Heart.
This is a very big challenge the Lord has given us. At the beginning, when we were planning for the project, we were wondering, how are we going to do this? But of course, the Lord wanted us to trust Him more, and He always provides. After 3 years of prayers of so many people, of fundraising, and of witnessing the overwhelming generosity of friends, family, and partners of the project, we were able to begin the restoration of phase number 1 of the Sacred Heart of Jesus Convent. The generosity of all those who have supported this project has shown us at every moment that the Lord is the one in charge of this project.
We could not have completed this project without God's mercy and grace, and of course, not without your generous and faithful yes. Your yes is not only a yes to help restore a building, but it is a yes to the Lord, a yes to make His heart known and loved to so many more people. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for your generous support, guidance, dedication, and immense love. We have been truly blessed by you.
The project of restoring this convent has taught me a very important lesson. What the Lord has done here is what He wants to do in each one of us. Because we are all in need of repair, we're all broken. But the Lord is the one who does all the work, and He provided everything we needed for this convent. And we trust that He would provide all the graces that we need to repeat that same miracle in our souls. We need to cooperate with His grace and to trust in His love so that He can make all things new.